Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Delights. Today let's see how to make a cafe-style creamy and frothy cappuccino at home with these easy tricks and how we can make 5 different variations with the same base. Before we go ahead, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get our latest recipes. Let's get started. To make a good cafe-style cappuccino at home, the most important part is making the base. To ensure a thick and creamy coffee every time, let's see how to make the base. So I'm taking about 8 spoons of instant coffee, and that is going to need double the sugar, which is 16 spoons of sugar. Remember to use the amount of coffee, double the sugar. Now for this ratio, we are going to be needing 12 spoons of water in total, but I'm adding some of the water at first and then we'll gradually add it when we start whisking it. I'm using a blender today, but you can use a balloon whisk as well. It just takes a little bit longer, so I'm using my blender today. Let's start. You can see how we're getting nice soft peaks. I'm going to stop now. You can see it has gone very fluffy, almost like whipped cream. And that's how you want it to be. And that's it. Our cappuccino base is ready. You can transfer this to an airtight container and it can last up to a month in the refrigerator. First, we're going to make a classic cappuccino. Now in a coffee mug, add 2 heaped spoons of this base. You can add some extra coffee powder if you want. Let's top it up with some hot milk and give it a good stir. Slowly you'll see how frothy this coffee gets. And that's it. It's that easy. Your cappuccino is ready. The second coffee we are making is a salted caramel coffee, and for that we are going to use some of our homemade salted caramel sauce. The link for the recipe is in the description below, or you can just click the I on the top of the screen. So I'm using 1 spoon of this homemade salted caramel, and to that I'm using 1 heaped spoon of our coffee base, and you can just use store-bought caramel as well. And remember, it's a sweet coffee, so you can just adjust by adding some extra instant coffee, and just top it up with some hot milk. Give it a good stir. Make sure that the caramel melts, and that's it. Our salted caramel coffee is ready. So the third coffee we are making is a very different coffee. It's a coconut latte. I'm using 1 big spoonful of the coffee base. You can add a little extra instant coffee if you like. And to that, I'm adding coconut milk. You're using a half and half proportion. So I'm adding the first half, that's the coconut milk. And let's give it a good stir. Make sure they combine really well. Remember, they're both thick. Right, and to that, some steaming hot milk. Give it a thorough mix to really combine everything together. This is one coffee that you really must try, and that's it. Our coconut latte is ready. The next one we're going to make is a chocolate and berry latte. The first thing you need to do is add 1.5 spoons of chopped chocolate, and to that I'm adding 1 spoon of strawberry crush and 1 spoon of blueberry crush. You can use fruit preserves as well. So let's slightly mix it, and 1.5 spoons of our coffee base to that. Again, this is a sweet coffee. You can add a little extra instant coffee. Let's add the hot milk. Give it a good mix. Mix until the chocolate melts. You can really smell the berries and the chocolate while you stir. Alright, and there you go. Your chocolate and berry latte is ready. The last one is a classic mocha. I'm adding about 3 spoons of our chopped dark chocolate. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate, you can change according to your taste. Add the hot milk and let it sit for a minute. And slowly stir it. You can see the chocolate starts melting. And once all the chocolate is really melted, I'm adding our base, a big spoonful. You can even add the chocolate to the milk in the pan and then you heat it up and then use that milk directly to the coffee. It gives just as good a result. And there you have it, our mocha is ready. You just garnish it with a little bit of cocoa powder and serve. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe if you haven't already. For the detailed recipe, visit our website www.theeverydaydelights.com. The link is in the description below. Thank you. See you next time with another recipe.